We're adding the buzz stroke into our drum fills. If you don't know what a buzz stroke is, it's very simple. You press down on the stick with your thumb and your index finger. Open up these three fingers. Literally just press down when you strike the snare drum, and it creates this buzz sound. We call that the buzz stroke. You can buzz by itself. You can buzz with the flam. You can buzz with the kick drum. You can buzz with the hi-hat. Heck, you can even buzz with the tom. But make sure the buzz always lands on the snare, because buzzing on the toms, I mean, some people do it, but not on this lesson. We're buzzing on the snare. For your examples, I'm gonna have a creative drum fill after each groove that I play. The format's gonna go 1 bar of groove, and then 1 bar of a drum fill, and I'm gonna repeat that 4 times in a row, and each drum fill is going to be as creative as possible. However, there will always be a buzz in the drum fill. Which count it will be on? I don't know. It can land on anything. Which drum will it be buzzed with? I don't know. It might be the kick. It might be the snares, the flam, or it might be the hi-hat, it might be the floats. I get creative freedom to do what I want to do. So for your examples, I'm playing it at 60 BPM, 100 BPM, and 140. Check it out. See, the thing about the buzz, you can get away with not playing fast. Because the buzz, it's almost like a pause or a stop. Like, it's dope. Like, you don't have to go for long periods of time. Because I know some people out there like, man, some of my favorite drummers, they play fast for long periods of time. I can't do it that long. That's okay. Break it up with a buzz. And I guarantee you'll still get the look like, fam. That was nasty. So implement, use, or dissect, or discover, or dive deep. So use your buzzes as creative as you possibly can. All right, good people, that's it. But it really ain't though, because there's one more. There's one more part. There's part 4. I'll see you there. Peace.